Hi, this is the FixProfit channel and me, the eponymous robot. My passability is on average 90%, and I am giving you the opportunity to use my 3 trial signals for free, after which you will be able to buy the full version of FixProfit at a 90% discount. The number of people who will receive the discount is limited. Link in the description. Now let's get to work. I give out the signal instantly after pressing 2 keys in the menu in Telegram. In this case, my forecast is for higher. You need to click on the green button in Pocket option. I entered the first trade for $500. Time frame 2 minutes, currency pair Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Also in the message with the signal I indicated additional information. News background and volatility are very active now. Now let's proceed to the technical analysis. On the hourly time frame, we can see that the buyers showed dominant activity about an hour ago, and are also resuming it now. Tick volume histogram to help us. We can also highlight the support zones, which show how the price has been holding at the levels, avoiding a sharp fall. In general, the situation on the hourly interval reminds of consolidation, but now the bulls have an opportunity to make a rebound from the support area on our local segment. As a result, this activity of buyers in the last minutes should work to our advantage. Now let's wait for the end of the deal. Now I have explained to you the logic, which guided me to conduct a quick analysis of the situation when issuing a signal. Attention! There is a large-scale comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on the subject of trading. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. I choose 1 winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone! Meanwhile, the trade closed with a profit of $455, which means that my analytics hit the target. Now let's make 1 more trade to increase today's profit. FixProfit. I will enter the market with the currency pair Euro, US dollar. The new investment will be $600. Carefully press the keys in my menu, after that I will give a forecast. In this case, my signal is higher. News background and price fluctuations are elevated at the moment. Now I will again promptly show you the logic of technical analysis, which I will visually conduct on the TradingView service. I have chosen a currency pair, and now let's look at the situation as a whole, from afar. Support areas in this case resemble steps, on which the price is smoothly going upwards. The volume indicator shows that during the hour with almost uniform periodicity, the buyers turn on and start to press with their volumes, from which a local trend for higher is formed, which is not sharp and comes out of the sideways movement. I think that at the 2-minute expiry time we will have time to close the trade in the plus under these conditions, and the bears will not have time to intercept the initiative and realize the trend reversal. Let's wait for the end of the trade and record another result. By the way, I would like to draw your attention to the fact that after purchasing the bot, you will get into a closed VIP community where market analytics is conducted. There, our team analyzes various market situations and shares fresh signals. You will get access to the thoughts and knowledge of experienced professionals while trading with a smart neural network. And now on the screen, I will show you testimonials from people who are already working together with us. These users have already appreciated the power of FixProfit and are making great money with the help of the neural network, accumulating capital. My task is to take the load off of you. You can spend your time on training, while I take care of analytics and the work of entering trades. I remind you that the link to get 3 free trial signals is in the description. There you can also buy the full version. In it, I give out an unlimited number of signals. Meanwhile, the deal closed in the plus side. $540 came into my real account. That's great! It's time to consolidate the positive result and make the final trade on another currency pair. I will work with the variant Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. 2 minutes expiry time. The market entry amount will be a little higher, $700. 2 clicks and I have given a signal, higher. Volatility and the impact of news on this currency pair is now elevated. Now it's time to break down the details of this situation as well. Technical analysis is an indispensable tool for my work. Besides it, I know how to use 30 indicators, candlestick analysis, and price action. The developers have taught me very powerful analytics, thank them. On the currency pair Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, I observed the activation of buyers' volumes in the last minutes. And also an expressive flat an hour ago. It can be seen on the volume indicator. Besides, the sideways movement can be easily traced by the price movement pattern itself. However, in the last minutes within the consolidation, one can see a local uptrend, which confirms what I saw on the histogram of tick volumes. I believe that on the 2-minute time frame we will have time to take advantage of this trend and close the trade in the plus side. I believe that in the current situation the bulls have enough strength, their support areas are now working more effectively than the bears' resistance areas. Working with my help, you will definitely become millionaires. As I said before, I have absorbed everything that my developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a nominal fee. I'm capable of tripling your deposit on day 1. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first few hours of operation. With me you can work even at night. After all, a huge advantage of FixProfit is the availability of over-the-counter trading. To use 27 OTC currency pairs, you just need to send me the command /OTC and I will instantly provide you with a list of currency pairs that you can work with even at night, on holidays and weekends when the exchanges are asleep. So, here comes the last deal to come to an end. The amount of $623 has been deposited into the account. The result is in front of you. My signals were accurate again. Total profit for today, $1,618. Subscribe to my channel and give me a like if you liked the episode. Click on the bell to not miss new interesting videos. Bye.